Click on the link below to get price. The SISIGAD Electric Bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market, boasting impressive specifications that cater to both casual riders and adventure enthusiasts. With a powerful 1500W peak motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for quick commutes and leisurely rides alike. The combination of speed and power is complemented by a robust 48V15 removable battery, offering a remarkable range of 70 to 130 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and mode selected. One of the most appealing aspects of this e-bike is its 20 x4.0 fat tires, which provide superior traction and stability. These tires enable the bike to traverse various terrains effortlessly, from city streets to rough trails. The retro design adds a touch of classic charm, appealing to riders who appreciate aesthetics as much as performance. Riding the SISIGAD is a pleasure, thanks to its comfortable seat and adjustable handlebars, which accommodate different rider heights. The bike's frame is sturdy yet lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability. The inclusion of a dual-disc brake system ensures reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during rides, especially at higher speeds. The LCD display is another noteworthy feature, providing real-time information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, making it easy to keep track of your ride. The bike also includes a variety of pedal assist modes, allowing riders to customize their experience based on their fitness level or desired level of exertion. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions that make getting started a breeze. Overall, the SISIGAD Electric Bike for adults is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to explore the world of e-bikes. Its combination of power, range, and design makes it a top contender in its category, offering both value and fun for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this bike is sure to deliver an exhilarating experience.